Hello, lovely students. Welcome to English for Beginners.
I have a very special lesson for you today. That's going to help you practice your speaking and listening skills in English through many different activities. Some of them might include new vocabulary for you.
Don't worry, I'll provide a full list with illustrations at the end of the video.
Okay, let's practice together now. For class details.
Unit 17. A big screen TV. I'm thinking about buying a big screen TV.
Wow, I've seen those in the store. They cost a lot of money. Can you afford to buy one?
They do cost a lot of money, but I really enjoy watching TV. I think it's much more fun to watch TV shows on a big screen.
I've never watched TV on a big screen. Do you think the quality of the picture is good?
Yes, the quality is great. When you watch soccer games, you feel like you are right there on the field.
When you buy the TV, can I come over to your house? Then I can enjoy watching TV on the big screen with you.
I have to save some money to buy the TV first. It will be a few months before I can afford to buy it.
Vocabulary. Screen TV. Store. Afford. TV show. Quality. Soccer game. Field. Save. Thank you and goodbye.